Welcome to Data Engineering with Subadip. In this video, we will dive deep into creating scalable and reusable ETL pipelines using Google Cloud Dataflow Templates. Dataflow templates are a game changer. They let you package your pipeline into a reusable blueprint that anyone can execute without needing the full development environment. This boosts reusability, simplifies operations by separating development from execution, and enhances security. In today's session, we will start by understanding the different types of Dataflow templates. Then we will build both a batch and a streaming template from scratch, learn how to add custom parameters, manage our code using Git for version control, and finally automate the entire deployment process with Cloud Build. Dataflow offers two main types of templates. Classic templates pre-stage the execution graph for faster job startups with fixed dependencies. Flex templates use a Docker image, offering greater flexibility with custom libraries at runtime. We will focus on the classic template approach in this tutorial. Our first goal is to build a simple batch pipeline. This pipeline will read CSV files from a cloud storage bucket, perform some basic transformations on the data, and load the results into a BigQuery table. Let's look at the code. We start by importing the necessary libraries, including Apache Beam. We then use Python's argparse to define our pipeline options and add custom arguments for our input file path and output table. This is the key to parameterizing our template. This is the core logic of our pipeline. We create a pipeline object and define our steps. We read from the GCS path provided as a parameter, apply transformations like parsing the CSV and formatting the data, and finally write the output to the specified BigQuery table. Once the code is ready, we execute it with a special set of parameters. This command uses the Dataflow runner but doesn't run the job immediately. Instead, it compiles the pipeline graph and saves it as a template file in our specified cloud storage bucket location. Now let's switch gears to a streaming pipeline. Our goal here is to process data in real time. We will read JSON messages from a pub subtopic as they arrive, process them, and stream the results directly into a BigQuery table. The code for a streaming pipeline is very similar. The two key differences are setting the streaming option to true in the pipeline configuration and using a streaming data source like the read from pub/sub.io connector to ingest data from our topic. As your projects grow, managing different versions of your templates becomes crucial. Using a version control system like Git is a best practice. It allows you to track changes, collaborate with your team, and maintain a clean and organized codebase for all your pipelines. To automate the process of creating and updating templates, we can use Cloud Build. By defining our steps in a cloudbuild.yaml file, we can create a CI/CD pipeline that automatically builds and deploys our templates whenever we push changes to our Git repository. So let's quickly recap. Dataflow templates are powerful for separating pipeline development from execution. Always parameterize your pipelines to make them flexible and reusable. Use Git to manage your source code and leverage services like Cloud Build to automate your deployment workflow. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Engineering with Subadip for more content like this. See you in the next one.